Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious milkshake at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, ideally softened for a few minutes. Next, grab 1/2 cup of milk. Whole milk often yields the creamiest results. Don't forget any flavorings you love, such as a few tablespoons of chocolate syrup or fresh fruit. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get blending for that perfect consistency. Start by pouring your milk into the blender, followed by the softened ice cream. If you're adding liquid flavorings, like 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, now is the time to include them. Begin blending on a low speed to combine everything, then gradually increase to a medium or high setting. Blend until smooth and creamy, usually for about 30 to 60 seconds, scraping down the sides if needed. Ready to get creative with your milkshake flavors? The possibilities are endless. Try using different ice cream varieties, like strawberry or mint chocolate chip, for a new experience. For a fruity kick, add about 1/4 cup of fresh or frozen berries, or even a whole banana. You can also mix in crushed cookies, candy pieces, or a spoonful of peanut butter for extra richness and texture. A small dash of vanilla extract often elevates the overall flavor profile. Your delicious homemade milkshake is ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the thick, creamy mixture into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, consider garnishing it with a swirl of whipped cream, a bright red cherry, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. Grab a wide straw to fully appreciate the rich texture. Remember, milkshakes are best enjoyed immediately after blending, so savor every sip of your perfect creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.